Welcome back to my channel. The other day I did a poll on YouTube where I asked you people about new topics you want me to create videos about, and the majority of you people showed interest in creating digital products. So today I am going to show you how to create a very simple digital product and sell it on Teachers Pay Teachers. This is one of the best sites to sell educational printables including lesson plans, worksheets, activities, printables, classroom decor and much more. Specifically, I will be showing you how to create a set of simple flashcard numbers using Canva and then sell them on Teachers Pay Teachers. So let's get started. This is the first step. You need to visit canva.com/flashcards and create a free account using your Gmail or Facebook account. I have already created my account here. This is the flashcard generator app. Here you can create custom flashcards. You can see here. You can either click on here, create a flashcard, or you can scroll down and see the custom pre-made templates. Here you can see this is the trending section, very first section. You can select one of these here. If you want to create an alphabet flashcard, then you can click on this one. You can see the different flashcards options here. For this specific video, we are concerned about creating numbers flashcards. So you can scroll down and see one of the template that appeals to you. For example, I can go with this one. You need to keep in mind that you need to change the template altogether so that it doesn't match with someone else's. First of all, I will delete all these. I'm going to delete these. And then I'm going to create this one. I want to create a unique one. This would be my first page here. I need to change the font here. I'm going to select Canva student font, this one. Similarly, I will change the font here as well and here as well, so that it doesn't matches with someone else's. You can increase the size of this, and here we go. You also need to delete these borders and create your own. To do that, you can add a line by pressing L from your keyboard like this here. This is a line, then go here and change its style to this one. Then duplicate it, place it here. Again, duplicate it, Ctrl+D, move it like here. Create your own unique flashcards. Now we have our own border here. You can select all these lines and group them together, Ctrl+G. Now we have a group, Ctrl+D to duplicate and move it here. So our first page is created. You can change the color as well to black if you want to. I will be creating a black numbers and black text, so change the color as well. Now we have a very basic simple flashcard page. All you can do is duplicate this and change the values. 3, then 4, here you need to write 3, here you need to write 4. Now keep duplicating and replacing values. So now we have 10 flashcards, 2 per page. Here you can go here and click on download and save as PDF print. If you want to, you can also click on flatten and then click on download. Now our file is downloaded. You can double click it to see how it looks like. It looks pretty good. Now your file is ready. Now the next step is to upload it onto Teachers Pay Teachers. So let's get started. Before uploading to Teachers Pay Teachers, you need to create a cover. The cover size is 8.5 into 8.5 inches. You can see here 8.5 into 8.5 inches. You create a blank document and then add some shapes and text and place your images. You can download your images as PNG. These are the flashcards. You can click here and then go to download and save them as PNG files like I did here. Then you can upload to Canva and create a cover like this. Here you can click one of them and place here. If you want to, you can add more images here like this. You need to play around and create your cover more appealing to your audience, or you can simply place this big one here like this. So this would be your cover. For this is the main cover. You can duplicate this page and add your other numbers here to showcase how your flashcards actually look like this one. Then duplicate this again and create a third here. Place this one here, move it upward and remove this one add here, and then duplicate again and add another page, that is 910. So now you have a main cover, main thumbnail, second preview page, third and fourth. So now you can download these as PNGs. Click here, download and PNG, and save all these. As you can see, these are the files. So now you have your interior ready and your cover ready. Now you go on to Teachers Pay Teacher and create a store and start selling. So let's do this. I am here on teacherspayteachers.com. You need to click on join button here. Then here you can select this option, that is basic seller, it's free one. Click on join here. Here you need to fill out the information. These are the basic information like your first name, second name, email address. Here you need to select I teach. You can select not a teacher if you are not a teacher. Otherwise you need to select the specific grade level or school level, teaching level. I am not a teacher, so I am selecting not a teacher. So I can select parent or caregiver. You need to select the relevant option. Then you select your countries. I am not a robot, and then select the second option. And here in this way you need to fill out these information to create a seller account on Teachers Pay Teachers. Once your seller account is ready, you will be able to create a product. Before uploading a product, I will recommend you to complete your store configuration. You need to add your image here. Here would be your store name, and here would be your image relevant to your store, and here would be a banner. So you need to set up this and set up a profile. The most important thing is the very first product you will be creating must be a free download. So you need to create a very short product of 5 to 6 pages or 10 pages, like we have did 5 pages flashcard creation method. Once you have your TPT store ready, you can go here and click on add new product. So click on digital download. Then here you need to write title like number flashcards 1 to 10, as we have created this one. Here you can also write in bracket, or just you can write print table. Okay, now here you can select your file. Here is our file. Now you can click on here thumbnail and click the main thumbnail here. This is the main thumbnail. Then you can also add the other ones, and this is our final one. Here you can write the description. You can write about your product here. Then you can scroll down and click on the free, because your first product must be free one. Click on free resource. Then here click on the grade levels, pre-K, kindergarten, first grade. And here you need to select the subject area. This is the math, and you can also select numbers. Here you can select printables. This is the type of resource you are selling. Activities, flashcards. Then scroll down and select teaching duration. This is not applicable. Number of pages we are selling for at the moment 5 pages. If the answer key is included, you can select yes, no, or anything. At the moment I am selecting not applicable. And then you need to test this first one or second one. Most of the time you need to select this one, because you are the creator of the product. Now click on the make my listing active, and then click on the submit button. Once you click on the submit button, your TPT resource will be instantly listed on Teachers Pay Teachers and up for selling. This is how you can create a very simple educational printable to sell on Teachers Pay Teachers using Canva. If you like this video, do give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. That is all from me today. See you in the next video.